Locksmith adventure today. I actually had Lasik or PRK surgery done about 2 years ago, and today I'm going to have an adjustment to my right eye, and so I'm going to go to Lasik Plus and have them do the update on my eye. It's normally quite a bit more painful after the fact than Lasik, but PRK is also a lot safer, but it does take 3 or 4 days to get over the initial pain, and it is pretty uncomfortable, to say the least. But they give you lots of drugs, so you're all drugged up and you don't really care. But I'm gonna actually take you guys with me, and you guys can actually see what this procedure is like. If you ever need LASIK or PRK surgery, I definitely recommend Lasik Plus. They're a great company. I went to several to get an idea of what it would cost and so forth. And some of the other places, I could really tell that they really didn't care anything about their customers or their patients, so to speak. They just really cared about the money. But Lasik Plus is very different. I didn't feel like I was being high pressured into a medical procedure, and they really were very informative. So today I'm going for an update. This update is actually free because I got free updates for life, which is definitely the way to go when you do that. And unlike a lot of places, when they say free updates, this is actually going to be free. So it's a beautiful thing. Anyway, you're definitely going to see some interesting stuff. I don't think they're going to actually let me show you guys the actual scraping of my eyeball or anything like that, but it's really pretty cool. I mean, it's 7 minutes. You're in, you're out, and you can see a lot better. So take a look. It might be kind of interesting. After you have the surgery, you actually have to sleep with this mask on, and this keeps you from rubbing your eyes in your sleep. And now that I have actually gone and had the surgery, I can safely tell you that I am high as pie. Wow, do they give you some good drugs afterwards. So I'm going to spend probably the rest of the day doing as little as possible and just enjoying my Vicodin. Yeah, buddy. Good stuff. But I'll be better within 3 days, and we'll be back locksmithing.